This scene takes place immediately after that.
Okay, I just need to know who's responsible for the mop
This is
and the water.
Inspector Gadget's been demoted. This scene takes place immediately after that, and he's working as a bathroom
Stand by prop.
scrubbing the police station toilets. Comedy ensues.
It's a good thing I studied Shakespeare for 3 years.
And bring it in. French a little bit of body motion there. And go for the water. And that must be stuck. In this one, if you can do the same thing again, but add a little more struggling, as if your arm is being sucked down the length of the pipe, so it's a little more facial activity and activity side to side. And action French! Then in this shot with a piranha,
Or at least a goldfish.
This contraption is flying gadget through the door at high speed. Lots of water, bit of debris.
excellent.
And through the back of this breakaway door.
The